this engine bay, like showing it real quick. $7:30 in the morning on a Saturday. Perfect time to put a motor into a Civic, am I right? Some longer bolts. The stock ones were just way too short. Get 6 of them and you're good to go. We getting busy. Motor's in. Raised motor mount, 1.5 inches. This one, crazy. And not have to worry about anything. That was the whole point. Should be on the road soon if this motor fires. Headers are on, intake's on, fuel rail, fuel lines are connected. Throttle cable, obviously right there. This one is cruise control, obviously we don't have. I didn't do like an official tuck, but it looks pretty good. I got the radiator and pretty much good to go. I am gonna flush this motor out, full quart of oil through it. Gonna refill it, see if this thing fires up. I got this thing to fire last night. Shift linkage underneath, throw the new axles in, put the whole front end back together. Hopefully this thing should drive out of here. I am gonna rip this carpet out. Dirty, I'm tired. Car runs, car drives. Temperature gauge isn't working. It's running pretty hot. Vacuum hoses. Other than that, this thing drives back to life. That was the main goal, the hardest part. Make this the motor install first drive.